Hi all, it is Brianne here, and today we are organizing my favorite thing. This is my dresser where I keep all of my makeup, toiletry items, jewelry, and it becomes a dumping ground for just about everything else, so let's get started. First things first, I always like to clear off everything just to start fresh, clean off, like disinfect. So here I am just pulling every little thing off. When I do this, I try to throw away trash, get rid of stuff that doesn't belong. Like that little beauty blender has seen better days, so I think it's time to get rid of that guy. Just really go through everything, And yes, this is where I keep my DVDs. All two of them. Once I get everything off, I just want to go in and disinfect. Here is my multi-surface cleaner and really just clean it off. Again, getting rid of a lot of that dust and just if there's any like makeup or lotion or whatever. Always nice to get a fresh start, right? These are some really cute shelves that I actually found at Daiso. I love them because they look like that acrylic look. They're just plastic and they're a little flimsy, but I mean, they get the job done for on top of a dresser. I'm not really putting anything super heavy on them, so they seem to work. And like I said, my DVDs. I'm obsessed with I Love Lucy, and I have the whole series on DVD, so super excited about that. And it's just an easy place to keep them because I watch them a lot. This is what I keep my makeup organized in. It's just a little file folder desk set. That way I can keep everything where I can see it. I don't use these too often, but it's just a really great way to organize your makeup palettes or, little blushers and things like that, just so they're easy to find, easy to see. And then this is a little plastic guy that I got from Dollar Tree. I love it because it matches that gray and gray. They almost look like they're a matching set, but they're not. This is where I store all of my lotion, deodorant, my daily moisturizer, all the stuff that I'm pretty much grabbing every single day. Really easy to see, really easy access to it. Okay, now this little tabletop trash can is a must. It's perfect place to throw away Q-tips, contacts, anything. I was always finding contact lenses and Q-tips everywhere. Now they go in that trash can. This is my jewelry box that I repurposed from an old jewelry box. Just keeps all my stuff in it. Oh my god, cringe. I did not clean off the bottom. It was super bright and sunny in the room and I did not see all that gross dust. I did go back and dust it off, you guys. So sorry. And here is my little trinket tray. That one says Cosmic Feelings. I love trinket trays on top of the jewelry box because I put my everyday jewelry on those. Oh yeah, my yeah trinket tray. It just makes it so much easier than having to dig through the little drawer every single day. That way it's just right on top, easy access. Okay, this was a DIY I saw on TikTok that I created myself. It's just those little adhesive hooks and a display, like a frame display type thing I got from Daiso. I wear a necklace every day. That's why I just put them up there. They're really easy to take off of those hooks, really easy to keep organized on those hooks, and I can just see all of the necklaces I have. It's not all of them, it's really just the ones that I'm wearing on a daily basis or, I'm wearing once or twice a week. I keep my toothbrush and my toothpaste in my bedroom, and I found this little cell phone tray at Daiso, also clear, so it has that acrylic-y look to it, and that's where I keep my toothbrush, toothpaste, and my flossers. I just buy those in bulk at Dollar Tree, and it fits all of that perfect. I just love how it looks, and I love how organized it is. Okay, let's talk about this. This is another cell phone tray that I just use as little storage. It's where I keep odds and ends, flossers, tweezers, sharpeners. I don't use those too often. That's why it's underneath that little shelf, but it's still organized. I like to keep my Q-tips and my cotton balls, or cotton, whatever they're called, in these little plastic mason jars. That way I don't have a big bulky box or bag on my dresser. It's just, again, I'm all about accessibility. I love to have things, you know, visible, where I can just reach and grab it. This is an old candle, using it purely because it looks cute and to add height, so I can have my cotton. I don't use little cottons as much as I use the Q-tips. That's why they're a little bit behind. Okay, I do not wear a lot of makeup, so I just keep the stuff that I use the most in that little pouch under the shelf again because I don't use it a lot. And this is just another pouch with some more lip glosses and stuff, and that's where I store my eyelash curlers. Again, I do not wear makeup on a daily or weekly basis, so that's why it goes into the shelf. And this is just a super cute pencil holder that I use for all of my brushes, including that little toothbrush I use for my flyaways, and my lip brush, and then just anything else that I want easy access to. And I just love that shell. It's so cute. And this is my morning and nighttime skincare routine, basically. I use these every morning and every night, so I just want them up front and center where I can see them. And last but not least, I'm going to clean off my mirror because it is always filled with fingerprints and dust because I use it all the time. And voila, we are done. I just love how organized and easily accessible everything is on my dresser top. It's going to make every day so much easier. Well, thank you guys for tuning in today. Thanks for getting through the whole video. I hope you had some organizational inspo going on. And feel free to leave me any comments, feedback, or your tips on how you organize. I do have more videos coming out soon, so make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!